How to create a Bitrix24 account on your mobile device. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see two options on your screen called Create for Free and Sign In. Simply tap on Create for Free. Then you'll see an option where you can enter your email manually or simply select your Facebook ID, Google ID or your Apple ID as well. So for this video, I'll simply tap on the Google icon and select an email that I would like to sign in with. After choosing an email, simply tap on Continue to accept the user agreement. Then after a few moments, your Bitrix24 account will be created. So it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.